Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday afternoon and I got some bench time today, and yeah, so I thought I'd show you guys what I got done. So on the chassis I got the radiator in there. The only thing that happened with that is I stepped away for a minute. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but it kind of fell back a little bit. Now it's resting on the plumbing for the turbo. I got back and realized it. The glue had dried. I tried moving it. It ain't going anywhere, and if it does move, it'll break something. And just one of those things. Again, guys, I'll show you the good and bad on my channel. It doesn't always, Murphy will jump in there any chance he can. I got the drive shaft installed. It makes a big difference, guys, making your own drive shafts, just using some aluminum tubing. I cut off the U-joints off of a drive shaft from another kit. The tubing is, just about this size. It's just easy to do, and then just adds another element of realism to the model, and it's not hard to do, and it has a big impact. So I like doing it. I'll show you guys. So basically I've got the truck and primer. There's some parts there, and then here's the hood and the truck. So for some reason the hood came out nice and flat, looks great. The roof kind of, I don't know, not as much, but I'm gonna sand it. I'm gonna let it dry for a night or so. This primer seems to dry really fast. So I might try sanding on it tomorrow, and smooth it out. And then I think, like I had showed you guys before, this is the color that we're going with. It's the Tamiya TS60 Pearl Green. And I had done my version of the spoon. Just had an old body that I practice on. So I've got this side. If I don't want to, I don't know. I don't think it's necessary to paint the whole car if I'm just doing a test. This thing needs some body work because it's pretty rough. But again, it's just a test body. But anyway, yeah, that's going to be the color. I use that same black primer, and then I'm going to use that TS60. We'll see how it turns out. But anyway, guys, continued prayers for Terry and his family. Yeah, got a busy couple of days at work. Pretty busy tomorrow, but I may still end up getting some bench time. So we'll just see how this plays out. But anyway, hope you guys are having a good week so far, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.